Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Now, I have this very interesting video about this lady who works in a Chinese factory where they sell wigs. So I would like you to listen to this. Mm, I don't know if it's a testimony or something, but I'd like you to listen to what she has to say. It's very important, and I want to share this video with you. And I'm sharing this video with you because I posted, because my last video was about the wigs. So this lady is confirming almost everything that I said in the video, my testimony and everything else that I said. So please listen, and I hope you learn from this and you pray about this. Okay, let's listen.
We enchant spirits into this air, and we hear the demons, right?
You enchant demons.
Yes.
You
demons.
invoke demons.
Yes.
Into what?
Into the weavons.
Into the weavons, the wigs
Yes.
that are being produced in China.
11,200 yuan.
Huh?
Yes.
You were paid 11,200
yuan.
yuan.
That's like
yearly, or monthly.
That's monthly. That's monthly. So if it,
that's like how much in Naira?
That's the two.
Because I know yuan is more than Nigeria. It's more than Naira.
2.2 million a month. Africa is one of the top continents that we deliver to. One of the job description is that we're not allowed to talk. Those kind of wigs now, it even causes marital issues. Because you're wearing a wig, you're having issues with your husband. You have not been quarreling with your husband before. But all of a sudden, you started quarreling with your husband. What did you expect? You gotta settle me. So I didn't even bother praying. So we just live like that. All of a sudden, we started having issues there about. It even causes envy.
So you mean now that this demonic air that people used to send from China,
yes,
can cause marital failure? Yes. Can cause problem in marriage?
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us in this studio.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Without wasting too much of our time, please, what exactly have you come to share with us today?
I've come to share a personal story that I've experienced, and I feel like I need to let people know about it. So it started from when I graduated from school. I was looking for a job. There was no job. I know how difficult it is not to have a job, and trying to fight for yourself is not really easy. For 2 years, I couldn't get any job.
For 2 years?
For 2 years, faster. For 2 years, I couldn't get any job. So it went on like that until someone connected me to this person, this guy that owns a WhatsApp TV channel. This WhatsApp TV channel. So he posts different
desperation. You do things that you haven't even planned. You do things that are just out of this world because you just want to get yourself a job. You just want to feel the freedom of buying, or the freedom of just having cash or money, and the freedom to afford anything. So yeah, you need to be careful.
Links of people, of girls going for runs, or what I call it, hookup. So that was not my mind to do. But the thing is that I had to message him so I can let him know my mind. Just tell him everything I was looking for. And then he told me that he didn't have that kind of job, that kind of link, but he's going to introduce me to somebody.
So you told him you didn't need a job, but you didn't want that type of job which he posts on his what do you call it?
On his WhatsApp TV channel.
WhatsApp. What do you mean by WhatsApp TV channel?
It's everywhere. WhatsApp TV channel is those channels that people post link to get jobs and to runs. Okay. People post girls that want to travel to Dubai or other places for other things. So they get connections like that. So I had to message the guy because that was not my intention.
And that on its own is also dangerous because you never know if the person is a scam or maybe a human trafficker. So that's very, very dangerous to hook up with someone like that.
I just messaged him to tell him my mind about what I want, and then he told me about it. So I need to pay him some money. Me, I don't have money. I don't have a job, so how would I get that money? I tried to explain to him. He said, anyhow, I have to give him money. So that was how it started. I sent him my last 7K. That was the last 7K I have at that point.
What do you mean 7K? Because we have audience watching us in America and different part of the world. You mean 7,000 Naira or $7,000?
Yeah, 7,000 Naira. What would I say dollars for? I don't have any money at all. So that was the last 7,000 Naira I sent to him. So he just said, send. And I was like, nothing. I was expecting him to give me a job directly now. But he didn't say anything. So first day, nothing. Second day, nothing. I keep on going to the message I sent to him, but nothing. So I even thought he had scammed me. I wanted to.
But why does it look like he was wearing a wig and she just took it off?
Blocking historical. I don't want to go back. Let me know that somebody has scammed my last 7K. I'll just keep drinking Gary like that. So I just so that was how I started. So he sent me a message on the 50. I was even happy as if he has given me the job. He just sent me a message of a link to a particular woman. So I messaged the woman and I told her about my intention. And she said okay. Then she connected me. She's a Kenyan, though she has this initiative of he does not like Nigerians and all of that because of.
So the woman that he now later connected it to is a Kenyan.
Yes, a Kenyan.
Okay.
So she does not like Nigerians, according to what she told me, she was blunt with me that because of everything, the role that they have been doing, that's how she put it. So I told her that I'm sincere and I have handwork and I'm also a graduate. So anything that she asks for me, she can give it to me.
So you have handwork. Which handwork do you know how to do? You said work.
I do pedicure. I also do hair as well. So it was a good thing for me. So any hernia, I must survive. That was the mindset I went with. So I became a PA. I was doing everything for her. So she was even surprised that a Nigerian can be this kind of person. She was always praising me, telling me, singing good words to my ears.
At this point, are you where is this job, this place? Because now you're already talking as though you have met with her now. So where is this place? Is it in Kenya?
It's not in Kenya. It's in somewhere outside the country, China and all of that. That was how.
Oh, so that means now you went to China.
Yes.
Where you eventually started working with this woman.
Yes.
But the woman is a Kenyan.
Yes, the Kenyan. She was established. She has a proper business. She was doing it and she has connection there.
So she's a Kenyan.
Yes.
Who is a businesswoman in China.
Yes, she is.
Talk to me.
So that was how I was doing my job. I was working with my heart because I know she was taking very good care of me. She even took me as her daughter. I mean, my mom is late, so it was even more like a good thing for me to call her mom. It's like she was more like a very good mother. She was clothing me, she was feeding me, giving money even without asking, plus paying me my salary. So she was doing very well for me. So it was one day she called me and she was like, "This thing you're doing for me, nobody has ever done it for me." That she wants, because of how kind I was to her and how humble I was, that she's going to connect me to another person, one of her friends. And I was like, okay, ma.
Why would she want to easily let you go just like that? Like, I mean, someone who's a PA, she does so well to you and you have been so loyal to her. Why would she easily just want to release you to the person you said she's now wanting to connect you to?
Yes, because I told her about my handwork. I make hair, I do pedicure. So anything around that place, it can help me. And she said, oh, she remember a friend that also needs someone to work in our company for her. And I said, okay, if it works. I just told her because she was like a mother, so she has a free mind. Also, I have a free mind. I just told her about it. And then she said, okay, no problem. She will see what she can do. That was how I started. So she took me to meet her friend. Her friend welcomed me to. She told her.
Where is that her friend too?
She's also in China.
That's
but
in China.
She works. Yes, she has a company that makes wigs and distributes to other countries.
So this company now that you were introduced to, which is a friend to this your Kenyan boss.
Yes.
This in their own company they make wigs.
They make wigs.
Women wigs.
Women wigs.
Talk to me.
Different kind. Human wigs, not just ordinary.
Real human wigs.
Yes, that was what they do there. So I told her, she explained to the other woman, and the woman took me to like her daughter. She was clothing me, giving me everything, and then she said, okay, we'll get dressed. We are going to work. So I was happy because that was I learned that handle before I left the country. So she said, okay.
Since it's something that you've been doing before in Nigeria,
yes,
as a wig maker and
yes,
weaver and all of that. Okay.
Yes, so that was what happened. So she took me and she said, this department you'll be working. I have to be discreet about what you're doing here. And I said, okay. And she gave me the list of everything, the rules, the do's and nots. So I took it, I read it, and the department is called Spiritual Department. At first, it sounded weird, but like...
The department is called what? Spiritual Department.
Yes, that's the department.
Where you will be working.
Yes.
In the company.
Yes.
Where they make human wig for women.
Yes, it was funny, but anyways, as long as the money...
Guys, listen, when I say life is spiritual, you think I'm just saying these things. You don't know. You see, this life that we're living in is more spiritual than you think. You are just there drinking juice. Listen.
So she took me, when I read the list of everything, and I saw that this money is huge. I can't even joke with this job. After all, it's not stressful. Money is so much. It's so much that I cannot say no to it.
So you're talking about this. So how much can you say? I don't know. Can you say?
11,200 yuan.
You were paid 11,200
yuan. That's like
yearly, or monthly?
That's monthly. So if
that's like how much in naira?
Because
I know yuan is more than Nigeria. It's more than naira.
2.2 million a month.
You are being paid 2.2 million naira every month.
Yes, I was being paid that amount, and I was not doing anything with the money because she took proper care of me. She was taking care of. She bought clothes, gave me money even without asking, and she wasn't paying me salary. So I enjoyed the job. I took it as my life depends on it. I don't have a job before. It's like God was trying to repay me for those times I was not working. So I enjoyed the job.
It's okay.
So when we were working, they gave us an incantation to always read out when it comes to our department. So people walk, do the hair and everything. They bring the boss to us, and then we just say the enchantment. We feel it. In that department, you're not allowed to wear hairs. You're not allowed to wear hairs. So the thing cannot affect us. No spiritual effect can affect us. So when we say those incantations, the spirits, we even feel the demons as if we feel it entering those, we hear the voice entering those hair, and we distribute it down
Wait. Are you trying to tell me your job description now?
Yes, that is what we do. I'm not
in that
lying.
department,
Yes.
which is called spiritual department,
Yes.
where they make air?
Yes.
Say it again. What exactly do you people do in that department? What is your work on a daily basis in that department? Then say it again.
We enchant spirits into this air, and we hear the demons, right?
You
making
enchant
them.
demons.
Yes,
You
demons.
invoke demons.
Yes, we invoke
Into
demons.
what?
Into the weavons, the
Into
wigs.
the weavons, the wigs
Yes.
that are being produced in
Yes,
China.
yes.
That is your department. That's what you do.
That's what we do. That's what we do. We just we hear them live, but it cannot get to us.
Oh my word. You see, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, but here is the confirmation to the video that I made a few weeks ago about the hair, you know. So you need to have a discernment from God to feel these things. And if you have a weave and ever since you bought that weave, your life is not coming together, nothing's making sense, you are consistently angry, you have pride, you hate people, you actually your life just turned around like 360 degrees. You feel like you're not yourself. It's time to do something. You need to pray about it. You need to burn that weed. Believe me, you need to do that for your own good, for your own relationships and friendships, especially if you have kids and especially if you are married. This will destroy your life. Believe me.
You now hear the demons live enter inside the
Yes,
wigs.
we are all marked, so we didn't get to know who is who. We didn't get to know. So nobody talks.
Everybody in the department is masked.
All the job description is that we're not allowed to talk in that department. So you just do your enchantment. You cannot even say hello to your friend, even if you're not started work. You cannot say anything to your friend. You just do what you're asked to. You are paying you well now. What do you want to talk for? What is your mouth meant for? Just for the job. You want to enjoy the job. You want to enjoy the money that's taking care of you very well. So you have to do what they ask you to do now. That was what happened.
Like how many weeks in a day? I mean, like how many weeks come in a day that people invoke demons into in a day? Like how many?
We don't do less than 1,000. We don't do less than 1,000. We do more than, because it's a big company now. It's a big company.
We don't do less than 1,000.
We distribute to different
in
countries. Africa is one of the top continents that we deliver to. The priority. We do that. We even supply more than in a day. So
I feel like the whole world is against Africa. I feel like the hatred is beyond what we anticipate. And just imagine this Chinese factory, and I believe that it's not just one factory. There's a whole lot of them out there. They are enchanting spirits into these wigs, and they know that they're distributing to black people. Oh my God. This, I don't know what to think of this. We just need a revival. People, we need a revival. Those people, the Chinese and all those factories that are doing this kind of ritual, they know that we, black people, black women, are into these kind of hairs. We love them so much to the point where we can spend even our last money. So they're just killing our nation. So we need a revelation. We need to pray. Seriously. If you don't see this, then I don't know. I don't know. You just have to pray that God open your understanding and give you wisdom to see this is big and this is war.
the continent.
So Africa is one of the top continents. You people supply your demonic wigs to.
Yeah.
So this is it. I'm so saddened by this because I feel like well actually we are at war with the world when I come to think of it. People are after us. I don't know if it's about the resources, about the minerals or whatever the land has to offer, whatever the land has to offer. But I think they are going all out to just destroy black people. So yeah, but I'm not scared. I'm not afraid. I don't have any fears. I just thank God that He did give me that discernment to feel the spirits in the weeds that I loved so much. I really thank God for that. And I hope that you pray about it and that you ask God to help you to deliver you from that kind of spirit because this can shatter your life. This can destroy your life. And this can actually destroy your future and the people around you, your kids, your husband, your siblings, your relatives. So really, I hope you take this serious. Thank you for listening, and I hope you found this video helpful. And yeah, I hope you really give it a serious thought and let's pray about it. Thank you for watching.